Good morning. So this video lecture we are going to discuss about the uh, COCOMO model in software project management. So before getting into COCOMO model, let me tell you what is a software project management. So when I say software project management, it is managing people, process, and problems which occurs during the software development. So, some of the activities involved in the SPM is project plan, estimation of work, estimation of resources required, project scheduling, and risk management. So, this COCOMO model comes under estimation. So, how much person required for your software development, how much time required. So, to estimate the effort and the development time, we go for using the COCOMO model. So, COCOMO means cost, constructive cost estimation model. So, as I told you, for software estimation, we use COCOMO model. So, this was developed by OM. OM categorized the software development project into three. One is organic, semi-detached, and embedded. So, when a project has a well-defined objective and if the team size is small and if all the team members have a good experience about the project, they have done similar type of project, well experienced, then such type of project BOEM has classified as organic project. Whereas if the project has a well-defined objective, but the team members may be a combination of experienced and inexperienced team members, then such type of project is categorized as semi-detached project, and embedded is the type of project where you have hardware integrated with the software. Such type of project we say it as embedded project. So according to BOEM, there are three types of project: organic project, semi-detached project, and embedded project. So as I told you, COCOMO model is a cost estimation model developed by BOEM. So he categorized the model into three stages. One is basic COCOMO, intermediate COCOMO, and complete COCOMO. Let us see all three stages. So first one is basic COCOMO. So using this model, uh, it helps you to find out the effort in the sense number of persons required for developing your software project, then the development time. So for this, we use a formula like A1 into KLOC, means kilo lines of code. That is how many number of lines of code you have to write for your project. Power A2. PM means person month. And development time is equal to B1 into effort power B2 expressed in terms of months. So here A1, A2, B1 and B2 are constants. So this is the constant values. So according to the type of the project, A1 takes the value, organic means 2.4, semi-detached is 3.0, and embedded is 3.6. And A2 value is 1.05, 1.12, and 1.20. And the B1 value is 2.5 for all the project, and B2 value is 0.38, 0.35, and 0.32. So according to the type of project, we have the constant values. So using this formula, we can easily calculate how many persons required for the software development and how many months it requires for the development. So Just I have included the constants in the formula to find out the development effort and the development time. So in the basic model, only using the formula and using the kilo lines of code, we calculated the effort and the development time. But in some cases, the estimation or whatever assumptions you have done based on the lines of code may vary because, say, for example, a team member can be well experienced. So he can complete the project 1 or 2 days earlier, or maybe a week earlier, when compared with the person who is not having much knowledge about the project. So there are other factors like this which will affect the assumptions what we have done using the lines of code alone in the basic COCOMO. So in intermediate COCOMO, we will use all the other cost drivers based on which the effort and the development time may change. Say, for example, maybe the product, maybe the size of the project, maybe the development environment, and maybe like the experience level of the person. So these are all some of the other drivers which may affect the software development estimation. So all these will be considered along with the calculations which is done in the basic COCOMO to get more accurate estimation. Then the last stage is complete COCOMO. In basic and intermediate, we estimate the effort and development time for the entire project for the system as a whole. So there may be a chance like we cannot get more accurate estimation. Instead, what we can do is we can split the project into modules, and for each and every modules, we can calculate how much time it will take for the development and how many persons required for developing the particular module. So when we are splitting the complex project into simple modules, we can get more accurate estimation. That is the idea behind the complete COCOMO. So here we will split the projects into subsystems and we will calculate the effort and development time for each and every subsystem so that we can get more accurate estimation. Okay, so this is regarding the COCOMO model. There are three types of projects: organic, semi-detached, and embedded. There are three stages in COCOMO: basic, intermediate, and complete. Basic, only using the kilo lines of code, we will calculate the estimation. Whereas in intermediate, we will use other factors like the experience level, development environment, etc., which may also affect the software estimation. And in the complete COCOMO stage, we will split the complex project into simple subsystems and we make the estimation for the subsystems so that we get more accurate estimation. Thank you.